Hi guys, I've been doing a few paper gliders recently, various different designs. Did that one last night, and I found that I've got access to a whole load of these sort of prints or diagrams, or whatever you want to call them. I think the red lines are the mountain folds and the blue lines are the valley folds. I'll put a link in the video description. Found this one, it's called Sloop, and I folded it up as best I can. I don't actually have instructions that go with it, but I just thought it ended up an interesting shape. Whether that's the shape it should be or not, that is the one that aligns with all those folds. I've had to put a paper clip on it to give it enough nose weight, so obviously that folding at the front doesn't do enough. It may be that should all be folded back there and then it'd be much shorter, but I just thought when I got to that point it looked interesting. So we'll just have a few throws with that, but I won't do a folding video. What I will do, as I've just said, is put a link in the video description, because there must be 20 or 30 designs on this site, so you can download your own and have a go. That one there was that one there. Super King, I think that one was called. This one's Sloop. So I'll just throw it along, see if we can get anywhere near the camera with it, and that'll do for this one, just a short video. That was just about on target. Another one on target. one. Well, I got some fairly good flights out of it in the end. I did modify a bit since showing you the original. I bent up these little bits on the outside because it seemed to have too much lift at the back. It was floating too much, so by putting them up we've got slightly less horizontal area. I've also put little dabs of super glue on all the joins to stop them spreading apart, and instead of the paper clip I'm using blue tack because I can adjust that by pulling tiny little bits off till I get the balance right. But we're getting some good long flights there. It did actually go right the way through to the front door on one, but obviously the camera wasn't pointing that direction, so you wouldn't have seen it. So pretty straight. The only thing is every time it hits something it buckles. Having the super glue on there helps a bit because it doesn't buckle as much as it did. And this area at the front does act a little bit like a canard front, so it can, when that buckles up like that, it can twist the flight. I don't know if that's the shape that it was supposed to be when it was finished folding. I probably got it wrong, but I did my best trying to work it out from there. There may even be a site that tells you how to fold them up properly. But that one worked, and I'll say again, in the video description there'll be a link to the Google Drive folder where all these are stored. I've no idea where I got the link from. I don't know if somebody sent it to me or if I just found it looking for paper aeroplanes. But there's dozens on there, plenty to do. So have fun. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.